Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I just at this little park that I found on Google Maps, and I'm doing I wanted to talk about camp grills and backpacker grills. Grills specifically that go in your pack, not ones that are that you don't carry, well, at least you don't carry far, which I actually do have a new one from wow, I forgot their name. Oh, Life Do. And I just, because we've been having burn bans, I haven't been able to get out and get any fire under them because of the burn ban. And our governor, even though it's overcast today and it's been, it doesn't, he says the tinder's too dry. He says everything is a tinder box, which he's, well, let's not get into it. I think he's a moron. But anyway, end of September is what I'm reading online. So I thought I would go over a few quick grill options. And yeah. Okay. So these are actually not grills. These are steamer racks that I picked up in an Asian market. And as you can see by the price here, they're not expensive. In fact, I was just at the Asian market buying something to filter grease, bacon grease with, and you know, they had a big stack of these. Now I realize that not everyone has Asian markets, but I mostly use these for putting on my stove because they make a great little platform. But I thought I would include them because they're cheap. Now there's the Bushcraft Essentials grill, which, you know, I'm a big fan of. And as you can see by the charring on it, I have used it, so it's not like it's, you know, brand new and never been used. I've seen some fire. Now these go about $20, but I showed an alternative. This I picked up at a food like restaurant supply store, and I've seen this as cheap as like $2 and some change, like $2.39. I've seen them as high as like $7, but that's still pretty cheap. I mean, it's got some legs on the bottom, which doesn't bother me a bit, because this elevates your grill off the ground a little bit, or you can stick something underneath, under here, and, you know, prop it up, which I've actually done. So, good stuff. Very nice grills. Got this one from this one I got from I won in the M.I. Woodsman giveaway. Really good grill. Been very happy with it. It's seen some use, just not a ton. Oh, I have to edit that. Okay, moving along. This one I get a lot of questions about. This is made by a Facebook buddy of mine. He no longer makes them, unfortunately. There's another one he has too that's black, which somehow I got left at home. I think what it is it has, it's in the hydration pocket of one of my backpacks, because I often take it out on day trips or overnighters, and I'll you know, build my fire underneath it, put my pot right on top. It's a nice little grill. I wish he still made them, but he said there was no money in it. If I find that other grill, I'll throw it in the, I'll record it at home real quick. Alright, I found it. I actually had it in with some other gear, which is why I like to typically take all my stuff out. I'm just wearing gloves so I don't get fireplace soot all over my hands, because I'm currently editing the video. I paused to do this. This is actually one of the first ones I've had, and it's just been excellent. Love it. A little dirty, but you know, you can go to Harbor Freight and get a little brush, clean it all down if you cared. Just a fantastic grill. I think it's about a pound. I just keep it in a dirty ass bag just to keep the soot out of my. This is a plate carrier I found on eBay. I just store it in here. It's got some Molly, which I've never used. I just slide it down in the hydration portion of my pack. And this one I did a recent video on not long ago. This is the Yoler grill. As you can see, it's significantly bigger. You know, size in comparison. You know, they don't like to do anything small. And they're all about the big stuff, which I don't mind, because you can combine this easily with like this and cook a piece of chicken on and still have room for like a canteen, which I actually happen to have one. Canteen there, another cook pot there, so you could actually do a more of a meal and just put enough coals underneath to cook everything. So, you know, that I don't mind the size, and it's not super heavy. Well, I don't know what kind of bird that was. And as an example of they don't like to do anything small, this is their smallest windscreen. I mean, look at that thing. I did a video on this already. But alright, I actually couldn't get in all the way in the other camera. So there you go. Small fire underneath, cooking a big meal right there. Wind protection. These guys at Yoler, you know, they don't mess around. It's go big or go home with these guys. And I don't mind. I mean, I've carried this in the woods, and I've got video of me doing it. It's not, I mean, yeah, it's heavy. I mean, I'm not going to thru hike with it, but, you know, on a day trip, I'll totally take it out in the woods. Alright. So here she is for 20 bucks. No, yeah, $20. Came with a pouch, which I guess you can't see really well. There we go. Come on, camera. So as the legs that fold down. Am I zoomed in? Nope. So legs fold up. Nice cooking surface for if you're making a brew, or you've got a piece of chicken cooking, or a pork chop, or whatever. Nice big area. And because I'm a Prime member with free shipping, how it compares to the other grills. Yeah, I cannot get a good angle today. So, there you go. Just a little bit bigger. I think this is about 20 bucks too, so about the same price. And unfortunately, I think I bought the last one, but I just did another Amazon search, and I saw that there were 20 of these available. So they're online. If you just gotta look around and try to find them. But you know, $20 for not a bad looking grill. So yeah, you know, unfortunately we still have burn bans, but as soon as I'm able to get this sucker out, I'm gonna be taking it out in the woods. Okay, so you might be wondering to yourselves, like, well, what's the point, dude? I mean, okay, you have all these grills. Well, the reason I'm doing that because I just went and bought another one, and I got this on Amazon for, it was like 20 bucks, which is the same price I bought you know, $20, $20. This has no legs, but more packable. This one has legs. Let's get it down and I'll give you a closer look at it. Alrighty, so new grill. Gotta say, without having fire under it, I'm pretty happy with it so far. And you'll definitely be seeing it in a rotation. Of course, because it's new, I gotta get it out sooner than the others, but at some point it's definitely gonna be out there as soon as we're able to get fire, which everything rides on. Can I get a fire going? So, which I can once burn bans are up. But anyway, I'll link all to the description with all the Amazon links so you can go check it out. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.